Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Putri Numaharsi. Today I will present my thesis proposal. The title of my proposal is Determinants of iPhone User Behavior in Choosing a Digital Music Platform in Indonesia. So, in this presentation, I will explain about three content, that is introduction, literature review, and methodology. Next, I will start from a background of the research. Nowadays, every single person in Indonesia listening to music in their daily activity. There are many ways that can be used to listen to music. One of them is by using a digital music platform that offer music streaming services. Music streaming services have been one of the most important influence in Indonesia music consumption habits. As the music industry no longer relies on the traditional goods, and users are becoming more selective in their musical tastes. Research and Statistics Institute based in Hamburg studies thus that the percentage of users share in Indonesia is 35% by Spotify, 35% by Joox, and 10% by Apple Music, dominated by age 25 to 34, followed by user age 35 to 44, and age 18 to 24. So the top three of digital platform in Indonesia are Spotify, Joox, and Apple Music. Next is a problem formulation. Digital music platforms are one of people's choices to getting an entertainment to listen to music. Listening to music by using digital music platform is cheaper and simpler when the user subscribe premium services rather than they have buy a music disc or download the music from a legal web music developer. From this research can determine which factor have a major effect based on search of past study connected to consumer behavior intention. As a result, it's critical to compare customer preference for music streaming services as mobile application. Next is research question. The number one is how much a rate of performance expectancy, ever expectancy, social influence, facilitating condition, hedonic motivation, price value, and habit of digital music platform. Second is how much is the rate of behavioral intention of the respondent. And the third is how much is the rate of user behavior of the respondent. For the research objective, the first is to analyze user perception of various factors based on UT-AUT2 model. Second is to analyze the behavioral intention of user towards digital music platform in iPhone in Indonesia. Third is to test various factors on the UT-AUT2 model that influence the user behavioral intention in the context of digital music platform in iPhone in Indonesia. And the last one is to test if difference in age, gender, and income have an impact on various factors on the UT-AUT2 model toward behavior intention of users in the context of digital music platform in iPhone in Indonesia. Next is literature review. Here are the theory that used in this research. The first one is a digital music platform. According to Georgianis in 2016, customer may listen to music on their preferred device, like PCs, iPods, cell phones, tablet, laptops, and many more, without having a digital music file or physical format because the music streaming, such as CD, tape, or vinyl. Next is user behavior. According to Ariani et al. In 2019, every human being show a variety of behaviors, including decision-making behavior, because different factors such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, and economics may affect user behavior. It can be argued that user behavior is compilation of all fields of study. The last one is Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology 2 model, or UT-AUT2. The UT-AUT2 model was introduced by Van Kates, Tong, and Su in 2012. The UT-AUT2 model is a development of the UT-AUT model. The UT-AUT2 model was constructed to measure consumer behavior in individual environment, although the UT-AUT model was constructed to measure consumer behavior in organization or company context. These are the previous research. There are 5 journals that use for this research. Here are the framework that I use for this research. The underlying foundation for this study is UT-AUT2, which was created by Van Kates et al. At 2012. Because UT-AUT2 is the most recent adoption model and a mixture of 8 previous adoption model. For this research, there are variable on moderating variable that added that is income. So the moderating variable of this research are age, gender, and income. The independent variable in this research consists of performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, facilitating condition, hedonic motivation, price value, and habit. For the dependent variable is use behavior, and for the intervening variable is behavioral intention. and for the moderating variable consists of age, gender, and income. The next is methodology. The first one is characteristic. The method that used for this research is quantitative. This research is intended to be conclusive or causal. For this research, the data collected directly from respondent, process the data, and analyze the result of data processing. This research implemented a cross-sectional technique to determine the time horizon. For scaling, this research using 5-point Likert scale that in each sentence is followed by a question asking if the respondent agree or disagree. For criteria that need to be in population and sampling for this research are, they have to be user of Spotify, Joox, or Apple Music on their iPhones, aged between 18 until 60, and people who have income or pocket money. The data collection for primary data is from questionnaire, and the secondary data is from journal, book, or articles. This research consists of content validity and construct validity. The type of construct validity that I use is convergent validity using SPSS for the measurement. For reliability, using Cronbach alpha. For the analysis method, there are two methods that used in this research. The first one is descriptive analysis. The descriptive analysis in this research aim to investigate how consumers assess factors based on the UTA2 model in terms of behavioral intention in the context of using digital music platform for iPhone user in Indonesia, as well as how big is the behavioral intention of consumer on using digital music platform for iPhone user in Indonesia. The second is structure equation modeling that involves indicators on a variable and structural model, which was utilized in this research, and the partial least square model was also utilized. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you for your attention.